Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More, and we're inside a gutted house, and this is one we're actually tearing down soon. So this is kind of our last look of what this house will look like before it's completely gone. The house should be torn down. We've saved them. We've had lots of houses where our commenters said we should tear it down. We've always saved them. We've never torn a house down. Oh, there it goes. I'm actually going to miss the teardown because I'm having surgery tomorrow. Most of it's done, but we're going to set up some cameras, have some other people film. I'm just having a tooth pulled out and then doing some other dental stuff, but I'll be fine, nothing crazy. But I really wish I could be here for the whole teardown. But everything is ready to go. A lot of people think, hey, let's just tear down a house. It's an easy process. But it's not. You have to have asbestos inspections, all kind of stuff happen before the actual teardown begins. You have to have permits. You can't just go and tear a house down or burn it down. So it actually is running us about $20,000 to have this house torn out, the foundation torn out, a lot of the trees torn out, and then have a clear, nice flat lot that we plan to sell after that. Well, we're at the commercial property that has a house, and we've cleaned up a bunch of the yard, and we've got our guys taking some trees down now. Hopefully they don't fall in the houses or the house, but we'll see. But my garage is gone. So is that good? Is that bad? Well, for me, it's kind of annoying because I really wanted to be here when they took the garage down, and they didn't tell me. They just sent us pictures and said, hey, the garage is down, without asking if they could tear it down. So, I mean, it had to be torn down. They knew it was being torn down. I just wanted to get it on video for you guys. But unfortunately, now I can just show you a pile of rubble with some old, beaten up hardwood in the middle of that rubble. So not quite as exciting as I hope it would be. But don't worry, we will not make the same mistake with the house. Pretty exciting. They're trying to get the chainsaw unstuck from the tree with another chainsaw. Oh, there it goes. Oh, right in the shed. Well, it didn't kill anybody, so that's a good thing. And, well, the shed, we didn't care about the shed anyway, so. And you got his chainsaw out. That's good. Good job, guys. Job well done. Really nothing that could have gone wrong there at all. Here is the house and the trees. And then they're all getting ready for the preliminary work, tearing out stumps and some concrete, and then tomorrow they will go after the house, and that will be the fun part. All right, so here we are at the house. I can have to leave here pretty quick, but they have been doing some work. They've torn down part of it. One of the big dump trucks, I think, just left with a load of debris. So a lot of the tree stumps and stuff has been taken out. So they're doing some work, so pretty cool to see. And I unfortunately can't watch most of it, but we've got a camera set up over there on a time lapse, so hopefully that works and shows us a bunch of what is going to happen next. Oh, that whole thing shook. sturdy. That whole thing shakes when you watch this. Yeah. No. 940. Huh? Uh-huh. I know. Oh. That was pretty cool. Here is the time lapse of us tearing down the house. By us, I mean this company. And I was really worried I wasn't going to be there to see it, but they were super cool. And while I was setting up my cameras, they're like, hey, we can just tear it down right now. So I set this one up, and while they're showing this view, you could see the other view before in this video of me shooting the whole house being torn down. So it's so cool to be able to see that. And then I set up a later time lapse of all of this stuff being picked up over time. And I'm not sure exactly what they're doing. If they're just playing in the wood, like making bigger piles and taking away, making bigger piles, taking away, bringing back. No, but it's pretty cool to see the whole process. And so glad I got a chance to at least see the main part of the house being torn down. Hey, and we're back at the property, and as you can see, it's gone. The house is gone. Was quite the cool process to see all of this done. And if you're wondering why I had surgery, I was actually getting Invisalign done, and part of that is I had a baby tooth that I've always had, and they pulled that out as well as a tooth that was kind of impacted above that. So they put me under for that, and it's been about almost a week now, and it's still pretty painful, but hopefully soon that will be done. But yeah, we'll show you kind of around the lot right now. So this is an acre lot. We used to have the garage over here. As you can see, the garage is gone. They tore out all the concrete, the foundation. We did leave this fence, but I don't know if we need it or not. The septic was over here. It was complete trash, and that was filled in, backhoed, collapsed, so it is gone now. We still obviously have power to the property. We have the gas line to the property. We have city or Northweld water and a well all here. And there's about, it's an acre of land kind of going from the corner over there by that littler excavator all the way to the fence telephone pole right there, coming across this way over to that bridge right there, that corner right there. So that's kind of our land along the ditch right here. So we paid, what did we pay, $120,000 for it? I think we spent $20,000, a little over $20,000 on the demo, removal, all of that. Another couple thousand on our other guys doing the trees and some of the garage removal. And it should be worth at least $200,000, if not more. I mean, the water tap we have here is worth at least $60,000, maybe more. The well is worth money. The utilities are worth money. And then commercial land is worth a lot. So honestly, it's hard to find a commercial lot this size for $200,000 without utility. So we'll see kind of what we price it at. But it's ready to go. It's ready to list, right? Easy remodel. The demo was the hard part. So we'll put some numbers together, take some pictures, get a sign on it, and see what happens from here. And of course, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate all the support. Love the comments, love the likes. Let us know what you think of this project. And then, of course, check out investformore.com for much more information on our flips, rentals, being an agent, all of that great stuff, even wholesaling. And we have 9 books on Amazon if you want more in-depth information.